Okay, we've got little Pedro all bundled up to go for his walk. We have got Felipe all antennaed up. We have got Felix is all antennaed up. Yet where's Bud and Fred?
There's Fred.
There's Fred. There's Fred. He's all bundled up with his antenna. He got his antenna on. And there's the Bud. Yeah, Bud's got his antenna on. Let's see that cute buddy dog. Let's see that cute buddy dog with his antenna. Yes, it's the little antennas. Yes. So we know where our puppies are.